Put some clothespins on your shower and you will be surprised by the result. Since I learned this, I never had this problem in my house again. If you thought clothespins were only for the clothesline, you are wrong. Their uses go far beyond that, and that's exactly what I'll show you in this video. But before I tell you why to put a clothespin on the shower, let me show you other different tricks with clothespins that I guarantee will be very useful for you. For the first tip, put some super glue on the back of the clothespin. I'll do it with just 2, but you can do it with as many as you want. Once that's done, just place a small piece of magnet. With this, you can put it on your fridge to hold a special photo or a written note. Very cool, isn't it? For the second tip, we will need 4 clothespins. What you need to do is hold one clothespin to the other like this. But pay attention to the position. I'll repeat it to leave no doubt. Do the same with the other 2. It should look like this. With this, we have a great phone holder. Very useful for watching our favorite videos and series. For the next tip, we will need a good quantity of clothespins. Start by removing the spring in the middle. It's easy, just twist the clothespin and it comes out easily. After that, take 2 parts and glue them together. We'll use super glue again. Glue them as I am doing in the video. Next, glue these pieces as well, but only at the top. Little by little, it starts to take shape. Do it patiently for the expected result. See, this is how it should be. This is a wonderful table support. You can put a hot pan, aluminum tray, salad bowl, and more. Very easy to make and extremely cheap. Now that you've learned different uses for clothespins, it's time to show you why to put them in the shower. For this, take just 1 clothespin. For this tip, you will also need essential oil. The one I'm using is eucalyptus. Take the oil and drop a few drops directly on the clothespin. For those who don't know, this essential oil helps a lot with sleep. It has a great relaxing effect. And that's not all. It also helps with muscle pain as it has anti-inflammatory properties. After dropping the oil, just place the clothespin on your shower. With the steam from the hot shower, the scent spreads throughout your bathroom. You will immediately feel a relaxing sensation, relieving headaches, migraines, and muscle pain. This technique is known as aromatherapy and will help you sleep, especially if you suffer from insomnia. Try this at home. I'm sure you'll love the results. Now tell me which of these clothespin tips you liked the most, and which one will be most useful to you. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.